but if you're one of the first ones, you just have a higher chance of getting 2 loads for the day, which is how you make money being local. But if you're just doing 1 a day, you're not gonna make it out here. Pretty loud inside the cab right now because that my exhaust right there on the 90 degree on the elbow where it goes up behind the cab, it broke again. I guess I didn't put the clamps right, so the exhaust was kind of hanging down and it cut into it. I can show you guys later what I'm talking about so you can get a better understanding of the part that I gotta change and stuff. I kind of been putting it off because I want to get like a chrome exhaust pipe. I don't know if I want to get it like halfway up or all the way through, so I'm waiting on that. I've been checking Facebook and stuff for stacks. It's too expensive to buy brand new, so I ain't doing all that. Looks like most of these areas have light again. It's day 5 after the hurricane. Hurricane Barrel. Most people have power now. It's kind of strange though because whenever that tornado hit a couple weeks back, or I don't know if it's a couple months now, but that was like out of nowhere. I mean, unless I just wasn't paying attention to the news or nothing like that, but literally we were sitting at home, you know, it was sunny outside. Then it got cloudy, and then tornado watch came in. When we didn't really take it serious because when those come in, nothing ever happened, you know. But whenever, as soon as that, like not even 2 minutes after that alert came in on the phone, man, it got really bad. Super windy, rain, and to me, like it looked like the wind was a lot worse with that tornado a couple weeks ago than it was now for us in Katy. They don't have power there yet. Damn. Alright, keep bombshells. But yeah, as I was saying, to me the tornado was kind of worse. And it did a lot more damage for sure in the Katy area. We didn't have power for like almost 3 days, or 3 days actually. And this time it was more like, I guess, more rain, and the winds weren't that strong in Katy. But what I was getting to is like after the tornado passed, maybe like 2 days later, you can see a whole bunch of like electrician like trucks or lineman trucks, I guess you can say, everywhere. And literally at every light signal that wasn't working, there was a truck with flashing lights, and they had generators on each light pole so that lights can at least work. And this time is the 5th day, and then this morning that I passed right now, there hasn't been nothing. And then they were talking about this hurricane for days and days and days, and we still didn't get it. I mean, we had power at home, but there's still a lot of people without power, and there's a lot of signal lights without power, and it can be dangerous at night. People not paying attention can run straight through it. So it's just kind of strange how it seemed like everything was more prepared for that little tornado that came out of nowhere, which ended up being pretty bad, versus the hurricane, which they had been talking about for a whole week basically. You know what I mean? What's up, you guys? We're all loaded up now. We're on our way to unload. 610 is flowing smooth. Surprisingly, it's already 8:40 in the morning. I figured it'd be packed all the way back there to 59 like always. But we're about to hit 45. surprisingly, man. It's really rare to see like this in this Friday. I wonder what's going on. I mean, it is summertime. There's no school, so that helps. But it really surprised me today. Oh, look at all the trucks still cleaning up after the hurricane. I'm gonna go ahead and get a left lane because, like I said, people have been slowing down for no reason or they merged last second. So I like to take the left lane all the way close to the 298. You see, people gonna say, "Oh, why use the left lane? This and that. No trucks left lane." But it's a passing lane, you know. It's not a. I mean, it is a fast lane. It's a passing lane, but that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm passing, so why can't I use it? Oh, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. The city's still trying to recover from Hurricane Beryl, and it poured down rain yesterday, and now it's just sprinkling today. Hopefully the water levels at least went down in the bayous. Now it's going to overflow again. It rains real hard. I would play some music, but we're going to get copyrighted like last time. There goes the rain. No more rain. You got my mirror all dirty. Just whatever. Yeah, look at this, man. I parked someone straight. I barely have room on this side. It's even worse. It's a little hot shot on this side. Parked crooked as hell too. What's happening, YouTube? It's been a while since I picked up the camera, but we unloaded, we reloaded, and started pouring down rain like pretty bad in the middle of that. We're headed to the yard now. We're gonna call it a week. Thankfully we left the trailer loaded so we can train my friend Javi. You know, just take the chain off, put it on, snap it, whatever. I feel like that's a good way to practice, just repeating. holding up the left lane after this red light. We're at the yard now. So basically I gotta have two within 2 feet in the front because I don't have a headache rack. What the hell is this guy doing? Like the guy's training, but he's getting real close to the truck. Nah, he got it. As long as he don't get too close. But yeah, it's two within the first 2 feet because of the lack of headache rack. What the hell is this guy doing? Hold on. As I was saying, y'all, after this one it's a max of 10 feet between each chain, and that's what I got all the way back. And I have, like, see, I have different boards here like that. That way, because my trailer kind of has a bow to it. That way I don't flex too much in the middle. That is gonna be it for this video, guys. I know it was really unorganized, but that's because I sit around a lot waiting to get loaded and whatnot. But I'm trying to get better with that, keep up with my day better, you know. And if you guys enjoyed that video, if you could like, subscribe, and comment,